A hobby knife is one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone involved in crafting, model making, design, or detailed DIY projects. Built with a razor-sharp replaceable blade and a slim, ergonomic handle, it allows users to cut with incredible accuracy and control. Whether you're working with paper, cardboard, foam, fabric, leather, or thin plastics, the hobby knife ensures clean and precise cuts that ordinary scissors or utility knives can't achieve. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable for extended use, while the sharpness of the blade reduces effort and ensures smoother results. For artists, hobbyists, and professionals, this tool is the key to transforming creative ideas into polished, detailed work. Beyond simple cutting, the hobby knife opens up endless possibilities for precision tasks such as carving, trimming, shaping, and scoring. Model builders rely on it for intricate detailing, while designers and architects use it for clean lines on prototypes and mock-ups. Scrapbookers and crafters appreciate its ability to deliver flawless edges, while leatherworkers and DIY enthusiasts value its precision in handling delicate materials. Durable, versatile, and easy to control, the hobby knife is not just a tool but a creative partner that enhances productivity and brings unmatched finesse to every project. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry, ensuring that no matter where inspiration strikes, you have the right instrument at hand.